Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, again with the esteemed colleague and author Matthew Bella. How's it going, man?
It's going great, Hans. Hi, Noodle people.
Yeah. And we're going to do another loaf of bread. And this one is going to include fresh flowering Thai basil, Fresno peppers, sriracha garlic sauce. No, this is Fong chili garlic sauce, a little bit of mild, and instead of oil, we're gonna use mayo. Mayo. So, first thing first, we gotta chop up this stuff with Holy Slicer. For those who don't know about Holy Slicer, you're about to.
Holy Slicer! Holy Slicer!
That's right. Alright, let's turn it on with our inverter. Let's pop up the top.
Oh, I love the machine.
Yeah, that's the cool machine, right, Miles?
Yes.
So now, can you scoot over, bud? Thank you, sir. Ah!
Scary.
Oh, no, this needs to be there.
No, what is doing now?
There we go.
There we go.
Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. That was absolute freaking insanity.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna slice the fresh out of the garden picked by my lovely wife, Thai basil.
Yeah. Thai,
This should be out of the kitchen, bud. Oh, again? Okay. Oh no! Well, that's okay for a moment. Now everybody gets to look at it. Yeah, where is it? Here it is. Okay. Plugging in Holy Slicer. Turning it on. Here we go.
Can I give you a close-up while you do this?
Yeah, grab it. You can watch the camera.
Got it.
On there.
Yeah, that's it.
Thai basil. Trying not to cut my fingers off. I use them for plenty of things. Whoa! You see that? I just grabbed it and took it away. And here's the last piece.
That smells great.
So here's the Thai basil. Check that out. It's like almost powdered. And then we're gonna do the pepper. How much of this do you want to use, man? A lot.
It's up to you. You're more familiar with him.
Yeah.
I'd say go big.
Yeah. I mean that chili garlic stuff is already pretty spicy.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go with like small slices of this, and maybe just do one pepper's worth. So that might give it a little bit of bite.
You can put the stock in there too, right?
About as far as I dare to go with having enjoyment of owning fingers. Let's try this one. That's good enough. And look at that.
Beautiful.
A lovely mixture.
Cool. So that'll go on top.
Yeah, we can put that on top or whatever, you know, it's just got to get mixed in.
Pretty good.
But,
Now I'll do my thing.
Yeah, you do your thing, man. Do your thing.
Okay.
Do your thing, man.
So we're gonna make the bread again. This is very easy. It's 1¼ cups of water. 1¼ cups of water.
This is my drink? Yeah. By the way, I mix drinks. This is cheap grocery store. This is Safeway Select fizzy water. This one's wild cherry. And then I add some, chug a bunch of it, add some orange juice, add some vodka, and then it's an enjoyable happenstance.
I goop all over my thing.
It just happened. I apologize.
1¼ tablespoons vegetable or olive oil. We're substituting mayonnaise. So we're just gonna eyeball this.
Oh, wait. What kind of mayo is that?
White mayo?
Yeah, you want to use real mayo.
With
She
the
just got
actual-
some real mayo.
There we go. So we're gonna eyeball this.
Beat it down.
So that's about a tablespoon right there. And then
Go large.
yeah, I was gonna say use extra anyway. So we're gonna use
That's more than enough.
about two and a half tablespoons of mayo there.
That is a mayonnaise cacophony.
1 teaspoon of salt. I'm sorry. Yes, 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah, that works. The chili garlic sauce is pretty salty already.
Right.
That works, but.
course,
Now, what was the other experiment? We're gonna do the darker crust.
Would you like to try that?
Yeah, why not? That last one, the crust was like wonderfulness.
Golden brown, yeah.
Yeah, and it was crisp.
Mm-hmm. Okay. There's our salt in. 3½ cups of bread flour.
Right down. So we already walked around and checked out the trail and went to the thrift store and a bowling alley and the grocery store. We'll have to go get more mixer later, so I'll probably go out there and get some footage to use for the intros and outros for these bread episodes. So that's cool.
Here's our 3½ cups of flour. Gonna make a little divot in there to support the yeast.
We have a problem because the last thing we're putting on top is liquid.
It happens every time. It's fine. It's gonna be okay.
All right.
Yeast reacts with water and sugar because it eats it. 2 teaspoons sugar. You had the sugar in here before?
Yeah, top left, like very top. There you go. Maybe go a little extra sweet,
Okay.
like maybe 4.
Okay.
Make it really sweet to offset all the spicy, because there's going to be a lot of spicy in there. That might bring out the flavor of the Thai basil. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's a possibility.
Of course, when you augment a recipe, when you change it, you have to compensate for, oops, spill some sugar down there where it's hot.
Nope, caramelize.
Yeah.
So what do you got to do?
Yeah, when you change up a recipe, you have to compensate. Like, it's going to be more moist or more bitter, so good thinking, Hans.
That's what I do.
So we are foregoing the parsley, Parmesan cheese, dried onion flakes, dried basil, and garlic powder. We're going right in with the yeast, 2 teaspoons.
Oh, do we want? Okay, yeah. And then after that, maybe put the veggies on top, and then put this on top of that.
Sounds perfect.
Yeast. It's alive.
It really is. Alright, so there's that. And so that is the base for the bread. And then, so we're going in with the veggies.
Yeah, probably have to scrape it out.
This wonderfulness. Oh yeah.
This is going to be trippy because this should be very, very speckled bread, I would hope, with
Totally.
all this stuff in there. The only downside is there will be seeds from those peppers.
Cool.
Alright.
More of a novelty, really.
Indeed.
And then I'm gonna let you figure out how much of that stuff to put in. That's all you, buddy.
Alright. It's all me. God, I'm thinking a lot. You know, the last one had a lot of that Lox's stuff in it, and it was really good. But if we would have had 2 sachets of that, I think it would have been even better.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna go with maybe this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, that's a lot. Dude, this is really good stuff, I swear. It's like Thai salsa. And there we are. Woo-wee! That right there, that's a very hot sucker, let me tell ya. I guarantee. Dude, have you started watching Justin Wilson on YouTube yet?
No, I have not. Okay, so we're gonna set this now. So
Yeah, you should.
it is already set to the
Fun to watch.
French setting.
Put a banana in there.
Low size, 2 pounds. Crust color, we're going darker this time. See what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my golly gee
that
willikers.
looks freaking Christ-like.
Oh wow.
Hey, I'm the. Look at that. Oh my god. Well, I tell you what, this